Today we're going to go in.
We're going to Animal Kingdom. It's 9:30 in the morning right now. We're getting the bus at 10 o'clock, which is going to take us straight to Animal Kingdom. We've already got a fast pass booked for 10:45, I think.
Yeah, 10:45.
That's for the safari. Really excited, aren't we, Grace?
Yeah.
I think it's going to be one of our favourites. I think it's going to compete with Epcot.
Yeah.
Last night was really nice. We got to watch the, well, Grace didn't because she was already asleep. But me, Mum and Dad came out on the balcony at 9 p.m. last night and got to watch the fireworks. And there were 3 separate displays going on. One over that way, straight in front of us, and 2 lots down this way. We think the one over there, which started at 9:30, was Hollywood Studios, and then the others must have been Magic Kingdom and Epcot. Really nice. So nice to just sit and watch. So really excited for today. Another hot day. And yes, we'll see you at the park. Say I love you. Love you, my.
Love you, my. And this little bow on it. Mwah.
Oh, he's got pink lipstick on now.
And mine's got red lipstick on. Her new one, isn't it?
So we'll see you at the park. Bye. View from our balcony. Those are Magic Kingdom's fireworks. Hi, Grace.
Hello. And we're just waiting for the bus now. And watch what I can do, guys. It's ballet. That wasn't one. You have to land like the egg.
Okay.
And me and mine do rock, paper, scissors. Do it in the other hand. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And then we
Here we go. Okay, so we're on the bus, heading to Animal Kingdom. Not sure if it's the first or second stop. This bus goes to Epcot and Animal Kingdom. So exciting! See you there.
And then I've got my.
We're here at Animal Kingdom. Tree of Life. That's cool, isn't it, Grace?
Yeah.
Well done. I'm a safari. Hi, Mom.
Spend a good majority of their day in the water, as they do easily get sunburned. But once the sun goes down, they're more likely to come up on land and get some much needed food. But they can hold their breath for about 8 minutes at a time, for miles on end. Now the savannah is molded by the animals that live here. The elephants come on through, knocking down any dead trees. They're the bulldozers. And the giraffes will go underneath the living trees, making them all the exact same level for that tribe. But now we'll start talking about these Maasai giraffes. You can tell they're Maasai giraffes by looking at the irregular pattern on their bodies, but as you guys have noticed, there are a couple small ones out here. They can already be 6 feet tall when they're born, and they can actually stand up on all fours within the first 30 minutes of their life. But there's quite a few of them around here, so we can officially call this a tower of giraffes. But as they migrate, they are known as a journey. But also here on the left-hand side, we have to look a little bit farther back by the rock wall, all the way down by the bottom. We have a few tan and black animals lying down there at the bottom of that rock wall. Those are a few African wild dogs, also known as the painted dog. Now, they are the most successful hunter in all of Africa. They're typically led by the alpha male and the alpha female. But also here on the left-hand side, we have some reddish. Eventually, they'll get worn down. Look at that small one there on the right-hand side. Little guys like springbok, we'll use them as lookout posts. So we got the one giraffe that's a little bit further back here on the left-hand side. But we're going to go hang out with this little one that's lying down right here on the right.
Look at this one.
Now, giraffes don't sit down all that often. They only sit down for about 30 minutes a day. And it's not all at one time. It's a few minutes here, it's a few minutes there. It's actually where they are the most vulnerable. So they don't want to be sitting just long tongue. And that's to help them reach leaves and branches that are just out of reach for normally beard, the younger the animal. But we're gonna head on over here to another part of the savannah, see what we can find around here.
Right.
Now this one here is actually a juvenile, can range anywhere from 8 to 15 years old. If they're females, they'll stay with the herd the entire life. If they're males, typically that 15-year mark is when they start to move on and become solitary animals. So we got the one juvenile here, there's a couple more adults that are scattered out through here. Let's see if we can get some other good photos. Maybe not necessarily these guys. We want to try to get the whole elephant in your photo, and I see quite a few more up ahead here. Very good. Look down in front of that baobab tree, all the way up ahead there. There's a little baby elephant that's hanging out down by the water. So as long as that one stays there, you should be able to get some really good photos. But looks like we're gonna be there for a little bit, I hope.
Look, Ray.
Hanging out with a couple more juveniles there. But elephants have a gestation period of about 22 months, and when those babies are born, they can already weigh about 300 pounds. So they're not small by any means, but they're still down here right now. Now these two juveniles that are hanging out with this little one, they might be cousins, they might be siblings, but this is actually how young elephants learn how to take care of babies. They'll be like the little babysitters for these youngsters, just like us. But we also have this flamboyant right here in case it matters anymore. In this case, a flamboyant is a group of flamingos. These are the greater flamingo. They're typically what happens. Big male lion right here, over on the left-hand side, nestled deep in this corner.
Hi, Mickey.
Yes, it's good, baby.
Oh, when she put your mini glasses on.
It's a great fit, Minnie.
Oh, that looks really good. Dancing with Mickey. Thank you.
The refreshments will need to finish before you enter, please. We have a trash inside.
But actually in the tree of life.
Oh, actually in it.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Elephant. We've seen lots of elephants today, haven't we?
I just met Minnie Mouse and Mickey.
Yeah.
Oh, crocodiles. How do you feel it? well. Oh look! Okay, get my glasses back on. And Minnie actually wears these. Minnie actually wears these, guys.
That's me.
Guys, Minnie actually wears these.
Yeah.
Let's hear that more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now that's a line.
Well, the elephants I mark here all the way from Kentucky. All right. What's a motto?
There's more on the line sitting there tonight. What part of
Animal Kingdom, really nice day. We did the safari.
Yeah,
really
this-
good. Got to see a baby elephant.
Yeah,
What else
little
did we get to
sibling.
see?
Oh, look at my hair, Maya.
Grown up elephant.
Loads of grown-up elephants, gorillas, lions. It was really fun. The rapids was really good as well, wasn't it? Grace queued for Everest, but then chickened out. Didn't you?
Yeah,
Scaredy
because
cat.
because it goes back.
Back.
And I don't.
Chicken.
Look at Dad.
My name's Grace.
And there's Mum, you can see her in the corner.
So we're going to have some dinner. And an early night, I think. In the hotel again, 'cause we're too tired.
Disney, Disney.
So we want, yeah, we ate at Hard Rock last night. It
This is
was really
too
nice.
big for me, Maya.
So we're going to say bye now. Hope you've all had a nice day back in England. I've heard the weather's a bit rubbish. It's been 33 here again today.
And
Subscribe and for more videos at the edge of the screen. I don't know which side. Bye guys.
that's all.
Say bye.
Bye.